In the previous tutorial, we've learned how to configure the robot. We've added drivers and algorithm. Now, I want to add additional algorithms and view the result in the dashboard of the robot. Let's start. Let's add another algorithm. And this time, let's choose object detection. And let's choose this one, deep learning object detection. Let's add the component. And as you can see, the algorithm needs to input a raw image. So let's take the raw image from the camera and connect it to here. The algorithm outputs bounding boxes. Okay, it will detect some objects like, I don't know, maybe it will detect me, maybe it will detect a chair, a bottle, I don't know. And then it will give us an image with some boxes surrounding these objects. Okay, but we probably want to compress this image, so let's add another component, algorithms. This time let's add image processing, and let's add image compressed, image to image compressed. Add component, and it's here. Let's move it over here. And here we can see that this is sensor messages, this is sensor messages, so we just can connect this to here. Okay. Another thing we can add, let's add a mapping algorithm. Mapping 2D, and let's choose this one, G mapping. Add component. Okay, so here we have some different parameters we can play with the algorithm, but basically what it needs an odometry and a scan. So let's connect the leader scan. And let's connect the odometry. Great, and the result will be a map. Let's save the changes. Test 2. Confirm. And also now let's deploy. Test 2. Confirm. Great. Once it's deployed, we can click on the robot, okay? And this is our robot's dashboard. Let's scroll down. And this is from the previous deployment. We can hear a sound. The previous deployment is uninstalled, and now the new deployment is being installed. Let's wait a few moments and see what happens in these sections. Let's see which components are being installed. So the move to base static map is being stopped right now. And look at this. Here's another sound, and everything is installed, and we need to wait until it's active. Okay, these are active. The leader started to spin. Let's look. Okay, the moment it started being active, it started to spin. So it's detecting. And the image-to-image compress is installed, but it's not active yet. So we'll wait some additional moments. And now everything is active. Let's scroll up and go to streams. Okay, let's add a stream viewer. Let's choose a 3D. And let's choose here the scan. Okay, the scan of the leader. Add stream. And this is the scan. I'm moving my hand okay, forwards and backwards, and you can see it here, okay, in front of the leader. Okay, let's split the screen, and let's add another stream viewer, and this time let's go to video and choose image to image compressed. This is image compressed, image to image compressed, this is the one. Let's add the stream, and this is from the robot's camera, okay? And if I'll move back, it still recognizes me and sitting on the chair, it may recognize the hand, so this is the machine learning algorithm. And that's it for our tutorial. Thank you, and we'll meet again in our next tutorial.